This is either gonna break it or it's gonna work. Wow. It's only a 1/4 inch gum, but that's hitting pretty hard. Let's try the pipe again. All right, the pipe is what I had to do. So you saw the impact wrench, or the impact gun. What I have here is you can't get in here. It's gonna be really hard to see. But the bolt is tucked up in there, bolt head, behind the brake lines and everything. So I have a deep well 5/8 socket with it's just 3/8 drives because is what I have for swivel. So I have a 3/8 drive, everything's 3/8 drive. So I have a swivel, and then it's connected to a 6-inch maybe extension coming out of this axis hole in the front engine cross member, or not just the front cross member of the whole chassis. And then I have the ratchet coming out of that access hole, and then I was hitting it with the impact gun. Well, it didn't have enough, so I hooked that pipe up to it after it's been shocked with the impact gun. I actually got it. It didn't break. I thought for sure I'd break that swivel. All right, ready? What the? Is it out? She's got to be on by the thread. Still in there. Okay, she's out there, boy. There she goes. Can't hold it. All right. Oh. Woo. Goddamn gear. There you go. There's the gear. There's the 4-bolt pattern. All right, we're gonna clean this up, and now that the gear's off, throw a little paint on it, just because it's there. Easy to get to. Let's just brake parts cleaner. Get it nice and, I mean, this is just rough here. We're not talking show quality. This is just, it's never been painted behind the gear before. So, because I didn't take it off when I restored the truck back in 2007 or whenever it was. So, this is just a quick little hit here. Of course, the wind comes full force when I'm painting. Done. All right, got the steering gear out. Pivot arm's still on it, as you can see. It wasn't too bad. The one bolt's a little difficult to get to. Drop that out of there. And we got the new gear in as I smack my head against the fender. So, it's in there. Gave it a little. This lighting's terrible. I'm sorry, guys. We don't got power in the shop. How the hell? We don't got power in here. So I can't help you. We're gonna have to go with the old natural lighting today. No, we got backlighting issues. So there's the new gear. It's tightened up. I did use blue Loctite on the bolts, on the the frame bolts, but I don't know if it's necessary or not. But I figured it wasn't gonna hurt. Hopefully this thing won't be coming out of here again or for a while. Next step is, well, I got to get a new line there that I broke. This guy, but I don't have that right now, so I'm gonna start on other stuff. All right, we got it all jacked up now, and since the pitman everything's disconnected, look at this. We got Floppy McFloppy over here. He's pissed about the right turn, buddy. Pissed. We're scrubbing. Gotta jack it up more. God dang. We're scrubbing, boys. Here you go. Oh yeah, one click. One click wonder, huh? Let's see if she scrubs, boys. Oh, no! Look at that. old flopper. Oh man, what a dick. I need some love taps from the rear end. Woo! Come on, that's it. Let's go. Oh, she's slipping, boys. Oh, maybe what's the vice grips? The vice grips really like to give her hell. Nope, I want them hard. Hard leverage. Oh, what the heck? Come on. Come on, you're awesome. Come on. Oh. See? You figure stuff out. What's this? Alright. Alright, let's get her some torque, boys. Top on the tires. Oh yeah. There she went. Maybe that's enough pressure right there. Woo! I want to thank my buddy Luke for teaching me that trick. Beat on the side of the knuckle, the steering arm. Don't hit the bottom of the tie rod end. If you do hit the bottom of the tie rod end, or any, this is the drag link, but it's the same concept. If you hit on the bottom of these threads, have that nut so that it's protruding past the bottom of the threads and hit the nut. It works, but it's still best to do it the way I just did it, and I'm glad that Luke taught me that, so. All right, let's go. All right, giving her hell. Making moves, boys. Making moves. What else we got? How we looking? Oh, hanging a little to the left. We'll straighten her out then. All right, let's go. Alrighty. So we got her going on here. So we got that off. Next thing, I'm gonna measure the drag length, total length here, like this. All right, so I'm gonna do total length. And what you gotta do is you gotta measure from the top of the pin here, the grease zerk, to the top of the grease zerk. 2 hands are required, obviously. Actually 3, but. So, we're gonna push it against the grease zerk and subtract. So I'm by myself, so. We're at 56. And I bet you the grease zerk's gonna give me, what, an 8 maybe? If that? Freaking 8. So 56 and an 8 is what we're talking for the total zerk to zerk. So that's the top of the tire end. So I'll take the new one and adjust the damn part. I can't remember what it's called, but I'm going to call it again a turnbuckle because it ain't turnbuckle. I forget what it's called. So what we're going to do is we are going to measure our new tie rod ends. Assembly, I'm going to call it tie rod assembly. And we're going to hit it at 56 and an 8. So I have that lined up there, the pin, or the grease zerk. And we just scroll this way. And where she lands is where it needs to be, and right now it is not at 56 and an 8. So I'm going to adjust accordingly, and then we're going to start there. Okay. Adjust it accordingly. Got to clean out that zerk. The hole, the female end of the zerk. I don't know.